Destroy this book in the name of science! Today, Turbo Turtles!
Hello fellow Destructionaires, my name is Mike Barfield. I'm an author, I'm a cartoonist, and I'm also a trained scientist, and I have the t-shirt to prove it. Now today what we are going to be doing once again is destroying this book. Destroying this book in the name of science! Now, this book, which I wrote and drew myself, is full of lots of different scientific models for you to make, but in the process you end up destroying this book, just like it says. And the page that we're going to destroy today is this one. Turbo Turtles! Turbo Turtles! Come with me now as we destroy it. With this page, Turbo Turtles, what we're going to do is make two aquatic models, two models that float on water, and when you add a magic ingredient they actually move across the surface of the water at great speed, demonstrating a scientific principle known as the Marangoni effect. However, first what we need to do, like so many models in the book, is press them out. But first, before we do that, we're going to colour them. Colouring is about to commence in 3, 2, 1. Colour. Might take a little while this, so I think we'll cut it short and come back when I've finished. Thank you. And here is my finished colouring. It isn't necessarily very good, I've done it quickly. Yours can be a lot better, I'm sure. However, what I want to do is get on to the really exciting part, which is making up the models and showing you the science in action. We are now about to destroy this book in the name of science! Yes, the clever thing about this book is you do not need lots of expensive stationary equipment in order to make the models, right? And in actual fact, on this page, you don't even need scissors because the models are perforated and you can indeed just press them out. I can't do it very easily holding the book up like this, so I'm just going to lay it flat and show you how to remove them from the page. And in the process, we will be destroying this book in the name of science. Here we go. Very, very simple. You want to be careful as you do it not to tear it, particularly as there are some small intricate little bits right down at the bottom where we're about to place a special magic, well it's not magic, it's scientific fluid in order to make our experiment work, okay? There's a little bit there, I'm just going to show you for the camera's sake. There's a little bit there that's perforated and we just pull that out. There, that is one of the first of our templates to make a turtle. I'll do the second one now. In actual fact, the turtles that I chose for this are the loggerhead turtle and the green sea turtle. And I'm sure lots of you already know that turtles are in fact marine reptiles, okay? They're the ones, turtles are the ones that live in the sea. Tortoises are the ones that live on the land. So, really, the mutant ninja turtles in my book should be the mutant I can't say it now. Mutant ninja tortoises. That's what this should be. Right, here we go. I have now pressed out both pieces. And here they are. Now here comes the really simple bit. This is a very easy model to make, okay? I'm going to simply take a stick of glue, ordinary stick glue, right? There's lots of different types available. This is the one I like to use, okay? I'm going to fold each turtle in half. Can you see that? Fold each turtle in half and I simply glue them together. Right, this is so they coincide. Now as you can see, each turtle is in the shape of a pentagon. Right, I chose that shape simply because it matches the natural shape of the outline of the turtle. It's also a rather cool shape, okay? And I'll do the same for the second one now, okay? Here we go, bit of glue. 1, 2, You don't have to hum while you're doing it, but hopefully you'll also be enjoying yourself, just like me, as you make them. Here you go, there you go. See, two turtle pieces. That is the loggerhead turtle, and that is the green sea turtle, which I have included some green on it. However, normally in nature, they're not usually green. They're often black or brown, as it says on the back. There are lots of fab facts in this book. Now, here comes the great bit. We're about to do some proper science. Having destroyed that page, we are now about to put our turtles onto water. Excuse me while I go and get a basin. Thank you. Always remember to put the top back on the glue.
Okay, hello again fellow Destructioneers. I'm back behind the camera now and I'm going to show you how the Turbo Turtles work in action, okay? Here is the Turbo Turtle 1 that I made. As you can see, it's got a little reservoir that's also been pressed out at the rear of the model. And Turbo Turtle 2 also has a similar reservoir. These are the things you need. Instead of a basin, I've got a tray of clean, cold water. It's very important that it is not soapy. You'll see over here, I do have some liquid soap. That's a vital ingredient. I've also got some fresh water to top this up after I've done the experiment. You may find that having done it once, you'll need to replace all the water to remove any of the soap, because the soap is the vital ingredient. Let's start with Turbo Turtle 1. Okay, I'm going to place it gently on the surface of the water. As you will see, it's more or less static. I'm just going to drip a little bit of soap in the reservoir at the rear. And the turtle goes zooming across the water. That is called the Marangoni effect. It's to do with the water molecules on the surface. It's something called surface tension. It gets lowered at the back, and as it remains the same at the front, the turtle gets pulled forward. Let's see if we can do it with turtle number 2. I'm going to try and do turtle number 2 in close-up. Now, as I say, once you've introduced soap into the bowl, it doesn't necessarily make it very easy for the second one to work. But let's see if we can get turtle number 2 to work. Whoop, it's drifting a bit. Let's bring it back into shot. Okay, here we go. Yay! Marangoni! And there, my fellow Destructioneers, are our 2 turtles. If you want to do it again, you have to take the turtles out, dry them off, and make sure you've removed the soap from the rear of each of the turtles. The minute the soap goes over the whole surface of the water, the effect does not work anymore. As I say, it's to do with surface tension. There's lots more about it in the book, but that was a pretty neat demonstration. So, I hope you enjoyed that demonstration, my fellow Destructioneers. In the process, we have only destroyed 2 pages from this book, and there are about another 50 pages to go for you to destroy. So remember, get out there, get to being scientific. This is the only science book I know of that has been tested to destruction. So get a copy and destroy this book in the